Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to have a quick and easy tutorial on how to take a screenshot using your laptops or computer. Let's get started. There are different ways to take a screenshots on your Windows. And let's use the Snipping Tool that is already installed in your laptops or computers. Let's take this photo, for example, this one. Now, press Windows plus Shift plus letter S on your keyboard. And then your screen will go dim and a small menu right here will appear at the top corner on your screen. So these are the screenshot options. First, we have this rectangular clip. Now this lets you draw a box around what you want to capture. Okay, just click, drag, and release. For example, I just want to capture this corn right here. And then all I need to do is to release. Okay, so once you take a screenshot, it automatically copied to your clipboard. For example, in Word, just press Ctrl and V to paste it, and here it goes. Okay, that's the use of rectangular clip. Now, let's go to the another option of the screenshots. Again, press Windows plus Shift plus letter S. The Freeform Clip. Now, do you want to capture in any shape? So this one lets you draw freely around the area. For example, if I just want to capture this lemon, all I need to do is to drag it. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, I'm sorry about that. And then release. And then let's paste it. Just like that. Okay. Okay, here it goes. So that's the use of Freeform Clip. Now to the last one. Okay, this one is called Full Screen Clip. Now the full screen clip, this take a screenshot on your whole screen in just one click. Now let's try it. One click, boom. And then let's paste it. Boom. And this option right here is the close. Now if you want to cancel your screenshot, then just click it. Screenshot is cancelled. That's it. Super easy, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to more tutorials. So thank you for watching. This is Vanryn. See you in the next video. Bye!